Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel, and today we're going to be going into a new product from Tekton. So if you guys haven't watched the channel, or you're new to the channel, or you haven't followed Tekton, in the last few years they've came out with a lot of new tools, a lot of new USA made tools, a lot of great products. They've also in the last couple years released their toolboxes, which are extremely high quality, heavy duty industrial style toolboxes, very well made. And with these, it's not going to be your cheaper pricing like Harbor Freight. It's not going to be expensive like Snap-on. It's going to fall right there in between, but you're going to get that higher quality. These are made in Canada. So really good toolboxes. But they've also just now released the tool carts. I like to check the Tekton website once to twice a week just to keep updated, make sure I didn't miss anything. And I came across the tool carts, so I want to share them with you. Just like the toolboxes, they're not going to be cheap like your Snap-on 5-drawer service cart at $250. But it's also not going to be as expensive as your Snap-on $1,000 or so tool cart either. It's going to fall right in between, and you're going to get a good quality professional grade tool cart. So I think it's a great deal. So if you're looking for a good high quality tool cart without spending $1,000, then this might be an option for you. Also keep in mind, if you're part of the rewards program, which is free, you get 10% in rewards, so you could make some decent money on this. Or if you already have rewards money, you could use it towards one of these tool carts. So the cheapest one is going to start at $390, and it's going to go up to $720. And they have it set up to where you can choose exactly what you want. You can choose carbon, red, white, between a frame height of 33 inches or 37. You can choose 0 drawers up to 3 drawers, and then you can get sides that are solid metal or a pegboard style. So it's really cool. I'll show you a clip that they've put together once we get looking at these. But here you can see they've organized them all the way from the 37 inch with no drawers up to 3 drawers. And these are solid sides. Same thing throughout the different colors. And then you get into the 33 inch ones. So they're going to be a little bit cheaper, $20 cheaper, but you're losing 4 inches. So I just pay the $20 to get the 4-inch taller tool cart. And then as you move down, you get into the pegboard ones. So all of these have the pegboard side instead of the solid side, so it's going to run a little bit more, but still priced really reasonable for the quality of tool cart that you're getting. And then here's some of the components. So let's just go ahead and look at 37-inch 3-drawer with carbon. Maybe it's a carbon black, so it's like a, not carbon fiber, but like a matte or flat black color. So it's kind of nice. You do have a nice full hinge on the back, no matter which one you get, whether you have 0 drawers or all of the drawers possible, you get a locking top, which is really nice. Another nice feature, let me go ahead and choose a different color so you can kind of see the different features a little bit better. So you get the 2 struts at the top, which is really nice. You get the full hinge, you get a locking top, and then on each corner you have this plastic shroud around each corner, which is really smart because the last thing you want to do is not just around the legs of the tool cart, but around the corners at the top. Because the last thing you want to do is take the sharp metal corner of your tool cart and smack the side of a car, especially if you're moving this thing around the shop or anything like that. It's really nice that they thought of that. And then this does have the peg board on the side. Each drawer has its own individual lock and key. So it has a slide lock in order to keep the drawers shut, and then it actually has an individual locking mechanism itself as well. So you can protect all of your stuff. It's a little bit safer that way. But I think it's built very well. They even have plastic caps around the bottom corners, as well as the legs. The 2 on the one side are locking, and then just swivels on the other side. I think they are very well built. I like the fact that you can choose exactly what you want. You could go 0 drawers, you could go 1 drawer, 2 drawer, 3 drawer, and then you can choose your height there as well. And then we'll just watch this real short clip. All 4 swiveling casters. The 2 that are locking. And they're a rubberized caster as well, so it's not the cheap plastic where you hit one tiny pebble and you're rolling this thing. I love the fact that all the drawers are locking and have that tab, extra security, heavy duty drawers, industrial grade, just like the toolboxes. There you can see the pegboard in use, and you have some decent space there at the bottom. So let's just get into some of the information that they share. They share a lot of information. That's one of the things I love about the Tekton website. They share absolutely everything with you. It's really cool that you can kind of get a zoom in of each specific part. So if you're interested in one of these, go ahead and check out the website. I mean, we could be here quite a while if we went through all of these, but we're not going to do that. So the top pan is 16 gauge steel. Max load is 200 pounds. Here you can see the measurements. The front drawer, it does open all of the way, so you have full access. There's no overhang or anything like that. 100 pounds on each drawer. You can see the steel gauge there as far as each different component. And then the bottom pan and casters. The pan load is 200 pounds, 16 gauge steel. You have 2 swivel and 2 locking swivel casters, rated 250 pounds each, so 1,000 pounds total. So good casters there. The other great thing is you get your assembly instructions, and they include the tools that you need. Not a cheap little Allen key that you get with a screwdriver on one end and a Allen on the other. They actually provide you with the tools you need. So you get a 7/16 inch deep 6-point socket, the T25 bit socket, and the T25 high torque screwdriver made in the USA. That's pretty cool that that is all included. And then here are some other recommended tools: a 3/8 drive ratchet and a 1/4 inch slotted screwdriver. So I thought that was really cool that they included that. So here are the overall dimensions of everything. And here, just like all of their other tools, they include the country of origin. So the tool carts are going to be made in Canada, the casters made in China, the drawer slides made in Taiwan. So I'm really hoping that in the near future I can try to financially make sense of getting another tool cart. I don't know how that'll play out, but I'm really interested in one of these. I've wanted to do a review on their toolboxes. I just haven't. The PRI show got canceled. All the shows that I go to that I see Tekton at were canceled last year, so I wasn't able to get eyes on or make a video with the toolboxes yet. So I was pretty disappointed in that, and I just can't financially make sense of getting another toolbox. But a tool cart, it's a little bit more affordable. I might be able to justify that, especially $400 to $700, depending on which one I want to go with. You get a lot back in rewards for whichever one you get. I think it's a great option. I like the way they have it set up on their website. They make it super easy. Let me know your guys' thoughts, though. I think this is great for a high-quality tool cart that's going to last a long time. But stay tuned possibly in the future for doing an actual in-depth review on one of these personally. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your guys' thoughts, or if you would consider purchasing one of these. And as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. See you guys next time.